And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Andrew Samet.
And welcome back in. Here's a look at high temperatures from today. It was a warm one out there with all of us climbing into the upper 70s and lower 80s. We climbed up to 80 degrees in Tyler, 79 in downtown Jacksonville, 77 at Cherokee County Airport, 83 degrees in Lufkin. It was a bit cooler in Marshall with a high of 75. Same deal in Mount Pleasant. Sulphur Springs, the coolest location, topped out at 74 earlier today. Now, tomorrow is going to be a nice day as well if you plan to go out for a bike ride. The weather's looking pretty good. Lots of sunshine expected with those temperatures warming into the mid 70s by noon and then into the lower 80s at 5 o'clock. So a warm day in store for your day on Sunday. Now, as we head into Monday, especially Monday night, we are looking at a risk of a few strong to severe thunderstorms in the yellow shaded area. That is the slight risk, which is the level 2 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, which, like I just mentioned, means a few severe thunderstorms are possible, but widespread severe weather at this time is not expected. So let's take a look at what Futurecast is showing. Now, most of the daytime hours on Monday is going to be dry. Can't rule out a few showers. But here's 8 o'clock in the evening. You can see showers and storms developing off to our west over in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We'll watch these storms as they make their way to the east into East Texas. Notice some isolated activity as well. Could indicate a higher threat of large hail and maybe a tornado as well. So we'll have to watch for that with the initial storms that develop. But as we take a look at the evening hours and we head through the evening, you can see the storms will begin to form more of a line of thunderstorms, indicating that the main threat here is going to be damaging straight line wind gusts, as is the case for most lines of thunderstorms, with the potential for a brief spin up tornado along the line like we saw a couple of days ago. And then also we'll still have to watch for any activity that develops out ahead of this main line of thunderstorms for an increased threat for severe weather. 1 o'clock in the morning, the line is pushing on through. And then as we head towards 3, 4 o'clock, the line will start to exit the area. I think the severe weather threat comes to an end by 6, 7 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. So all things considered, it's a relatively short severe weather threat, but you want to stay weather aware, especially between the hours of about 7 o'clock in the evening Monday through 7 a.m. on a Tuesday. There's also a heavy rain threat as well. That's actually the highest threat for us in the medium to high. In terms of severe weather, damaging wind gusts is the primary threat, followed by large hail and then tornadoes, both of those at a low to medium. Now, it doesn't mean the chances are very low for tornadoes, but certainly you'll want to stay weather aware because they are still possible. In terms of rainfall totals with this system, we're looking to see around an inch of rainfall with some locally higher amounts possible. Here's what Futurecast is showing. Keep in mind with thunderstorms, it's hard to get a good idea of what areas will see the most rain because we need to see how those thunderstorms form and where they move into. So either way, we can pick up about an inch, maybe even some higher amounts in some locations. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we are going to cool things off as we head into the end of the work week coming up. In fact, morning lows into the upper 30s and low 40s by Friday and Saturday. For deep East Texas, tracking storms late Monday into early Tuesday, and then drying things out for the end of the work week and into the weekend with cooler temperatures expected.